Hello, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and I checked out Samarkand from my local library. Let's look through it today. I haven't opened it yet, except I did a quick flip through reel over on Instagram if you want to check it out. This is Recipes and Stories from Central Asia and the Caucasus by Caroline Eden and Eleanor Ford. And I could have sworn I'd looked through it before, but I checked our YouTube channel and no. So I'm excited to get started. 2016 it came out. Off to a good start with a lovely food photo. You know I love those. The photography is by Laura Edwards. Let's check out the table of contents, and I'm going to grab a pair of glasses because my ring light is so bright in my face. Makes it hard to see on gray paper. Table of contents. The first chapter is a shared table, and then soups, roast meats, and kebabs. Warming food for long winters. Perfect chapter because it's January here in Seattle. Plovs and pilafs, accompaniments, breads and doughs. I'm looking forward to that chapter. Drinks, desserts, and sweetmeats. Okay, let's get started. Samarkand, a culinary journey through Central Asia. It's known as the fabled turquoise city, a magnet for merchants, travelers, and conquerors. It's set in the valley of the Zarafshan River in Uzbekistan. This turquoise oasis still beguiles modern-day visitors, following in the footsteps of Alexander the Great and the Mardi Tamerlane. All right. Ooh. Marketplace. We're going to learn a lot about this area. I'm going to go read the introduction once I'm off camera. They have lots of bazaars and marketplaces where you buy food and things. Oh, this is gorgeous. But I'm here for the food, not the architecture. Oh, but I have to show you this. That is, whoops, excuse me, that's pretty. The ingredients, flavors, and recipes. Here's the first chapter, a shared table. And the first recipe of the book looks amazing. It's tomatoes, dill, and purple basil. Walnut stuffed eggplant rolls. Ooh, I have eggplant in the house right now. I don't have any walnuts though. Here's cucumbers with yogurt and mulberries and Koryo spicy carrots, but no photo of those. And we're going to learn about Samarkand, Tamerlane's center of the universe. Here's a radish, cucumber, and herbs. Most Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cookbooks have a cucumber and radish and herb salad in their cuisines. Green olive and walnut salad sounds good. Mushroom caviar. Hey, is that actually vegetarian or do they use real caviar? It's vegetarian, I think. Yeah, mushrooms. Yay, because I am vegetarian. Salt massaged cabbage. Now I can't show you the whole cookbook, so I'm going to have to skip ahead. But I noticed there's some recipes that don't have a photo, just FYI. Here's something called suzma or suzma. It's their yogurt dish. Tajik bread salad. I love bread salad. I've only had panzanella bread salad. Okay, Turkish spoon salad. I'm not sure what that is. Spicy meat dolma. I've never made my own dolma or dolmadas yet. Here's the soup chapter. So far, I'm super enjoying this cookbook. How about you? Yogurt, cucumber, and rose petal soup. It's beautiful. That would be awesome in summertime when it's too hot to cook and eat something hot. Here's a summer borscht with sour cream and chives. Yum. I know that borscht is polarizing. You either like it or not. Fruits of the earth, foraging, and the high Pamirs. We're going to learn a lot about geography and history from this. Here's an apricot and red lentil soup recipe that sounds amazing. Tajik green lentil and rice soup. Pomegranate soup. Okay, this is my first pomegranate soup recipe ever. Wow, is it hot or cold? I serve scattered with, well, I think it's served hot, and it involves a cinnamon stick. Winter kuksu or kuksu. Roast meats and kebabs. I'll show you a couple recipes from this. Not too many because I can't show you the whole book. Chicken shashlik with pink onions and pomegranate. Slow roast mutton with Sultan's Delight. An obsession with eggplants. An entire page where we learn about that. In Turkey, the eggplant is known as the sultan of vegetables and is brilliantly versatile. Grilled lamb kebabs with cinnamon, cloves, and hot hummus. Whoa, I don't think I've had hummus hot before. Thunderstone lamb chops with sour cherry sauce. Now, I'm not going to eat lamb chops, and I'm not going to make them for my boyfriend. He doesn't care for lamb, but I'm definitely going to learn how to make the sour cherry sauce and put it on something. Yum. Here's another kebab recipe. Beef shashlik with tahini and pistachio sauce. Now we're in warming food for long winters. This is an awesome cookbook. Here's a recipe for lazy cabbage rolls, pan-fried trout with green garlic sauce, buckwheat kasha with caramelized mushrooms. That's something I could make tonight. Eating with the mountain Jews of Azerbaijan. I don't know how to say that. And so this is a very informative cookbook too. I've seen a lot of Georgian chicken recipes as I've looked through cookbooks over the years. This one's with a walnut sauce. And chicken, potato, and prune hot pot. Ooh, I wonder if my boyfriend would be up for that. Spicy meatballs with adjika and yogurt. And here's info about a morning in Almaty's Green Bazaar. Spring lamb and new potato dim lama. Now we're in the plovs and pilafs. What's a plov? I don't know. Ooh, well, gorgeous photography. This cookbook is amazing. Here's a Samarkand plov. The ingredients are basmati rice, rinsed, 1 1/4 pound stew beef, clarified butter, onions, 4 of them, wow, bay leaves, yellow and orange carrots, cumin seeds, black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, blah, 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 and 12 hard-boiled quail's eggs. Okay. Here's a Dushanbe pilaf. I know I just mispronounced that. I'm sorry. I've never seen these words before. Pumpkin stuffed with jeweled rice. Yum. Amazing. I have to skip ahead, but I want to show you this. This is incredible. Buttered rice under a Shah's crown. Okay, I don't want to take this book back to the library. I want to keep it forever. I'm going to have to buy it. Fish and saffron pilaf. Now here's the accompaniments chapter. Yum! Melting potatoes with dill. Hey, I'm cooking potatoes tonight. Cinnamon potatoes with pine nuts. Wow, if I wasn't allergic to cinnamon, I would try that. Grape and pistachio orzo. Roasted cauliflower. Ooh, I do have cauliflower in the house with pistachio and tarragon. Pumpkin with Uyghur 7-spice Uyghur. I don't know how to say that. Okay, green beans with hazelnut tarator. Sounds good. Glazed beets and greens. See, I could use that sour cherry sauce on the glazed beets. Now we're at the breads and dough chapter. Baking naan bread. Not sure what that means. Oh, it's called naan. That's how they spell it. Excuse me. I thought she meant naan bread like it's not bread. I'm like, no, I want bread. A banquet on the Caspian Sea. Uzbek pumpkin Monty with sour tomato sauce. Ooh, I'm up for that. That looks incredible. Anything with pasta, right? Here's a Kyrgyz swirled onion flatbread. Excuse the pronunciation. Feasting in downtown Tbilisi. Gorgeous photography. This is amazing. I have to own this. Spinach khachapuri. Let me know if you've ever made something like that. Samsa. I'm going to keep going. Drinks chapter. We'll just take a brief look. Fabulously fermented. Infused vodkas. Hot honey and lemon with vodka. Vodka on the table. Roses in the niche. Ooh, rhubarb, apple, and clove compote and an apricot sherbet, which when I read Persian cookbooks is called sharbat. Chaikanas and samovars, Afghan pink chai. Here's the desserts and sweetmeats. We'll just look at a couple. A platter of honey, flatbread, and dried fruit. What a healthy way to have dessert. Love it. And roasted peaches with marzipan and rose syrup. Looks good. Sweet nature, the importance of mulberries. Kefir pancakes with blackberry syrup, and that's all I'm going to show you out of this book so I don't spoil it for you. That was amazing. I'm going to buy it right away. Samarkand, Recipes and Stories from Central Asia and the Caucasus by Caroline Eden and Eleanor Ford. I give this 5 stars. Definitely grab it. Hope you enjoyed this cookbook look through and review. If you'd like to see more, you can find Cookbook Divas on YouTube, on our blog, cookbookdivas.com. We have a podcast where we talk about cookbooks, and we post cookbook news and info to both Facebook and Instagram so that we find you on hopefully your favorite platform. Thanks so much. Bye.